Hello everyone, this is Aditya Kharwar, and in this video we are going to see how we can implement simple PL and SQL program in Postgre. So let's begin with our code. So for implementing PL and SQL commands in Postgre, we have to first create one table. For creating, we have a command create tables. Yeah, I've written it already, so not getting so much time. I copied it from here and I simply paste it. Okay, so by this way, create table prac10, that the name of the my table is practel, and I give a tuple in this first column name with user ID, and this is the data type, and student name, what he obtained mark in particular subject. Okay, then I enter. Yeah, you can see here create table, so you are successfully creating a table. Now I copied this. We are going to insert the values in our practical 10 table. Okay, so now in first row we have one with the name Aditya, and he scored 31 marks in OS. And now we have another name, like you have to change this, the user ID. We cannot put user ID same. Okay, for this I make it as 2 and this is 3, and by this manner this is 4. Okay, now press enter. You can see you have a 04 column. Okay, now we are successfully insert the values in our practice tables. Now what we do, we just see how we just going to check how many list of database we have. For this you have to press the keys backslash and then press keyword of L and put semicolon. It is not need of semicolon, you can simply press enter. You can see these are the list of database, and for seeing the list of relations simply press the backslash and press D, and yeah, you can see these are the list of relations till now we have. Okay, now what we are do now. Okay, now we are selecting the whole table. Okay, from what the name of our table just we are created. Okay, prac10. Okay, now press enter. You can see you have a 4 name with 4 rows with name Aditi, Aditya, Ayan and Naina. Okay, now the next things what you have to do, you have to create or replace function. Like you have to create or replace function average underscore marks. Okay, and then put bracket, then press enter. Now you write return integer as average is in $sign. Okay, and now press enter button, and now declare the average integer. Declare avg integer. Okay, now put semicolon here, and then begin with implementation. Okay, yeah, now we are selecting the average of marks. Okay, no, it will not work. Don't put, you have to, what here we write marks with MARK. This is case sensitive. Okay, it will show error if you are just write after the K. Yes. Okay, into avg from prac underscore 10. Okay, then put semicolon. Now what you have, you just have to return average. Okay, and then end of implementation. And now we have average and put it in $sign. And now we have language, we are using PLP GSQL. Okay, yeah, now we are creating the function successfully. Then select average underscore marks and put it in colon, and then you can press here. Yeah, you can see here the average marks is 36. This is, by this way you can implement the PL and SQL command here. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today. We will meet soon in next video, and stay tuned with us. Thank you, have a nice day.